All right, hi, good morning, guys. It's the 21st of January 2019, and today for the Trade of the Week Club, we are going to be looking at gold and the pound Aussie. So, gold, the analysis has not changed. What I like about it is we finally broke out of this pennant that was forming up here. For the last, since I spoke about it, I said the market is going to break out, pull back, and then start to wave down, and that is exactly what the market has started doing. If we zoom in a bit on gold, I want you to pay attention. On Friday last week, we finally had a daily candle. So this is what I want you to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. The market tried to close below. You see these wicks tried to close below 1284.21 area and was unable to do so. All right, it went sideways for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then on the 12th day, it finally closed below, which means the bears are now in control again. And we should see this market coming back down to 1237.27 area. That's where I'm looking at for this market to come all the way down to. So I want you to continue bearish. This is the daily. You're going to approach it like the pink line. So what you're simply going to do is this. Go down to the smaller time frames. Let the market push if you're not in the trade already. When you do get a pullback, you simply want to come in and bring some counter trend lines like this. When we close below those counter trend lines, that's when you want to continue bearish as the market comes all the way back down to 1237.27 on gold. Pound Aussie. So the pound Aussie, I wanted to do the analysis from scratch. Right? So this is what I am seeing on the pound Aussie. Seeing we have some ranges. Alright? And I'm seeing this here as a mid-range. Now, the reason why I'm seeing this as a mid-range is, let me do this. If I draw this box like this, this market came up here before, tried to close above, and had a big rejection. Alright, that big rejection caused the market to fall, but then the market came right back up to it and then had another bearish formation here. So I am thinking we are going to now see the start of the pound Aussie to continue to fall, maybe all the way down to 1.7272. Alright, let me see. I was actually looking at, because of this low here, I was looking at 7,400 roughly, 1.74. That's my target. Alright, so how I want to trade this, Friday we had the bearish move and you could see why, right? Look, if we look at what the market does at these areas, if I'm above an area that's support, when I come down to it, I want to look to buy once it holds. If I broke the area, which I did here, and the market pulls back and rejects here, I want to continue selling, which is what it did, right? So if this market came up here and broke above, then I would be looking to buy back up to here. But it held here once, fell, came back up, held here again twice. So now I'm thinking, you know what, this market is going to be bearish. We're going to have some targets along the way. So the first target is actually going to be here at about 1.77294. which is going to be the low, and then we're going to see if it breaks this area again, then we're going to come down all the way here. So sorry. So as of right now, we have a target, first target, roughly 256 pips for this week, and then we have 614 pips all the way down. All right, we might even get a better trade, because what I am expecting this market to do is pull back a bit deeper. So when I go to the forward, this is my game plan for this. Right now, this market is in a bit of a very small, let me go to the 1 hour so you can see it. A very small consolidation here with these highs and these lows. This is what I want you all to do. I'm not interested in buying this, because my bias from the larger time frame is that this is going to fall. If the market breaks out like this, all right, I'm just going to wait till it either comes all the way back up here and rejects, then I'll be looking to sell, or let the market come up here, it mightn't go all the way up and then start falling. All right, so that is my game plan 1. My game plan 2 is, if it falls here, I don't want to start selling yet, because you see this support right here keeps pushing the market back up. So I want the market to break out of the support, come back to the back, and then continue selling. So I either want this market to pull back. Let me just adjust this. I either wanted to pull back so I could get a better sell up in this area here, or I want the market to break out, retest, and then I'm going to start selling all the way back down here. That is my game plan for the pound Aussie for this week, guys. All right. I'm looking at a short-term trade on the US dollar JPY as well from last week, where I just want to continue buying the market up to roughly about 110.17. But I want you all to mainly focus on the pound Aussie and gold this week, because I think we have the setups that we've been waiting for on this. So let's do that. We're looking to sell both the pound Aussie and gold, and we're waiting for the market to fall first and either break out and retest on gold, or pull back first and then go. And gold, we're looking for the market to continue to fall in our direction. All right, guys. So that's my game plan for the week. Have a good week. Have a successful trading week, guys. And I'll see you all on Friday for this week's recap.